Good day, Mamutanyo. I am Lawrence I. Arglo. I am in grade 5 SSC Maratha. This is my performance test in English 4.1. Stand by. The director wants everybody in the set to stand by for 1 minute. Speed up. The director instructs to speak or move faster. Okay, it means the ones in the set did a good job. Stretch or slow down. There is remaining time in the set and the director wants the anchor to talk more and spend the time left. Cue. A signal to an anchor or presenter to begin their speech or spills. Keep talking. The director signals the anchors or presenters that they are still okay with the time schedule allotted for the program. Come closer. Instructs the anchors or presenters to go nearer or closer to the camera. Go back. Instructs the anchors or presenters to step back or move a little from the camera or go back to the previous position. 30 seconds. The director instructs to stand by for 30 seconds. 15 seconds. The director signals to stand by for 15 seconds. 4-minute countdown. After 4 minutes, the program or show is about to start. You are on camera. The director signals the anchors or presenters that they are already being recorded. Cut. This signals the anchors or presenters to stop with their speech or activity in front of the camera. On time. The director informs the anchors that they are still on time. Stop. The director informs the anchor to stop and don't move.